The Opcenter APS planning module is a strategic decision-making tool that takes into account sales forecasts and long-term orders to decide on the overall direction of production. It is the heart of the planning system, and with it you can, for example, set stock levels dynamically to meet future demands, balance production within multiple resources, taking into account, for example, constraints, expiry dates, projected stock forecasts for each item, considering all levels of the bill of materials, help make important decisions regarding capacity changes in specific sectors, the workforce or the factory as a whole. Here we have information on the products we're going to work on, as well as the capacities of each of the sectors we're going to be passing this product on to. When we have planning done, using the same planning model as the ERP, we have several moments when our capacity goes beyond what we have available. For example, we can click here and see what our stock curve is for our product. We can also see where our demand line is within the planner, which is what we need to produce in this period. When we go to analyze the planning we've just done, we realize that it doesn't make much sense because it's using more capacity than I have available. In order to resolve this, we come here and change the way we plan so that this planning is done with a finite capacity. In other words, it respects my capacity for all resources. From there, I start to evaluate my stock curves, and I see that there is a certain limit, a certain expected quantity, a minimum stock, a target stock. My demand forecasts, and on this other screen, I have my capacities being met. So this is a plan that makes sense for me to pass on, both for purchasing and for opening our production orders, all while respecting our capacity. Finally, we can see some warnings of problems that may occur during our planning. So we have, for example, situations in which our production demand is below the minimum expected. We can identify shortages, times when stock is at zero, and classify these alerts so that we can understand the quality of our planning.